Greetings, greetings, greetings. Yeah. You know it's the Crocus Bog Farmer, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you know it's Rastafari, so to the Crocus Bog Farmer. Yeah, and you know, yesterday I bought some beetroot, and the beet were growing slightly, and I decided that I'm going to plant some of the, you know, stems that's growing. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, okay? Just want to show you what I'm talking about here. See, I bought the beets and they were growing. So what I did was I just cut off about 1 inch of the top, and I'm going to plant this in the ground up to here. Just bury this part right here up to here, and we're going to have some new beets. So remember, it's Rastafari Soldier, you're watching me, and I'm just reusing the scraps from my beets so I can have new beets at the time. Remember to hit the red subscribe button, okay? Thank you. Like and share. Watch how I do it. First, I have this little tool here, and I'm going to dig the dirt up, and I'm going to bury the beets up to right here. And I'm going to try to put them right here, like along this location. So just stick with me. Remember to hit the red subscribe button. Watch how I do it. Right here, I'm going to put a couple of them. I'm just softening the dirt. I'm going to bury them. I'm planting about 5-6 inches apart, you know. Softening up the dirt, you know. I have my Chinese mint right here. Thyme, whatever you want to call it. Put it right here. well right here. Because I have a lot of duckies on right here and their roots. They like root. I guess the roots grow well right here. Believe it or not, these are all ducky gun right here. All ducky gun. And they're doing well. So I'm going to try the beach right here. Right? I'm not going to put all my eggs in one basket, people. I'm going to plant some over this way now. So the rest of the beets I'm going to plant alongside here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Crocus Bag Farmer is here planting beets today. Okay, so remember to hit the red subscribe button, like and share. We got a piece of ginger growing right here in the same spot. Let's go get back up. Don't worry about that. Right here. Planting is trying, I think. Have to just try. That's it. These I'm gonna drop these two in here too. And that's the final two pieces. Just try. Well, planning for the future, you know. Always the final stage, you know, water them. Yes, family and friends, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. That's planting beet right there, you know. It's a handy little tool right here. As you see, it's like a fork and a hoe in one. So I furrow up the ground, dig the holes with this. So remember to hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer. If it's farming, from morning till evening, me love me farming. From morning till evening, give thanks and praise, you know. Farming, make sure you eat your food as your medicine, or you will have to eat medicine as food. Real is real. Remember to subscribe, like and share, leave your comment if you love farming. If you just like the vibes, just leave your comment and remember to subscribe, share for me, okay? Me love me farming from evening till morning.